Man, I tell us one time, ghost did dip on earth here. I walk. Wicked people. Wicked. First one, comment and share and like and subscribe and thumbs up. Yeah, it's all about duppy. Enough people don't believe in a duppy. They believe in a evil. But evil there. I watch now, it's when a man dead in shadow come out and body that time spirit come out time and left him body live down a ground. And in shadow turn up and look on him body a ground. Yeah. So you see duppy now people, duppy are true, real sitting. Duppy used to dangerous one night time, you know, man. Terrible, you know, man. One night time, you know. You see me? Duppy had a fling stone all upon people who stop all this in the you know, then Duppy had like take with people, animal and all this, you know. Duppy turn out a ghost in a car, truck, any fucking thing you want to know, you know. Duppy are real. One time Duppy used to walk like man on earth because when people dead, they never used to go up and fridge. See, then was dead and go bury some. So you see fridge come cramp them and cramp them spirit and it hold up a light. People don't like light. You see what I say? So there is good and bad. So, yeah man, it's all about Duppy. Duppy mystic. I Duppy will turn up your so. You can't see him. The camera, I see him. Imagine now, I turn up here so, and I talk to him and I Duppy the back of me. Camera, pick him up, you know. Yeah man, Duppy. Duppy are serious because you know. Wickedest thing about that. When a man dead, you know, come back, come tell you how dead feel. Your mother, your sister, your brother, you know, come back and tell you how dead feel. Because the people dead, they don't want the rest of living people them feel how dead feel. They want you to come dead side of them. Your mother ever how dead feel it. Your brother were dead gone. You ever vision and tell you how dead feel it. Your sister were dead gone. You ever vision and tell you how dead feel it. Nobody know how dead feel, man. I'm going dead alone. Know how dead feel. That's why in the Bible, tell you say, let the dead bury their dead. So if a family were dead, they try to force up in it and go on like a you want bury dead. Let the dead bury their dead. You know what I mean? So you know, grave, you know, and you know, if you give them a little helping and you know, but not take up people dead business on your head. And that's why me now wear people clothes, especially dead man clothes. Hey, caca poop, caca fart, then dig out your after them dead. And you take them clothes and I wear it, and the dead man can't find them clothes. When them come look for it, you're in a trouble. And that's why you see in time people dead, then take up them clothes and then throw them one side and pack them up one side, and it take a couple time after in dead and buried and rise before them body clothes them. Because he want the clothes. Yes, when a man go to the brother and he live over one house over there, say the house is painted in a red or black, and you change the color and go change it again. When he come, he walk past in yard gate, he might look for in yard and can't find him. At the same time, he must see in yard. Because he want to color a house, check it up here. So Duppy can't find him right color. And Duppy afraid of Duppy. Duppy afraid to see himself. That's why you see people put up mirror at then yard gate and all them same thing there. Because when the Duppy come and see himself, he ain't good looking to all himself frightened. And he can't believe say, and himself. And horseshoe, I wanted that thing. Horseshoe, round horseshoe them, you have to go there and see them, set them up. Power nail set certain look away. If we keep out Duppy outer house, Duppy afraid of horseshoe. Me no know where that part they go, but Duppy afraid of horseshoe. So yeah, people, Duppy a real thing. In a real life. And when Duppy are raised out of the grave, you know, you can't all see them, you know, because them are raised in a smoke and the spirit a farm in a smoke. And that's why you see you hear them and say when Cobia man I catch Duppy, then catch them in a buckle. I spirit then catch Duppy in a buckle. One time I see them a show me one Duppy, you know, in a one buckle, you know. And two, me see two blood clip, me see sitting a wiggle up. In a buckle, and a wiggle up, and a wiggle up. But I not sitting that fire look like smoke. And the man I say, yeah man, a duppy man, but a smoke. So I saw he said, a duppy itself, a smoke, the spirit itself, a smoke. And you can't see them. You see me? So, good and evil build up earth. People want to comment and share and subscribe. You see me? Because you don't know a thing said. It's all about, we just again one little part about duppy. You see me? And about skinwalker. Because skinwalker are duppy, you know. And duppy are skinwalker, you know. If you dog there, you know. Skinwalker can come in him, you know. And you feed him every day, you know, every day, you know. And one day you call him and I say, come puppy and I touch him and you just see the pan. Easy no puppy, come on, come and you see the pan. Yes, and then you chop on you and bite off half of your face. A duppy go in him and tell him send him off your face. So duppy will go in animal, then go in a rat, then go in a puss, then go in a this. Duppy go in a people too, you know. Duppy go in all your best friend and your brother and he said, take up his stone and give him a rat in lick and duppy just make him take up his stone. And lick you down the ground. I saw duppy tan. Evil, them see one them called skinwalker. The most thing we catch them a camera. You know see on TikTok how them catch duppy. On YouTube how them catch duppy. A real sitting them catch them on camera. Look how you saw them stay one different focus way, one different flexibility, one disappear speed. Then see you see them here so and you look at one cow, one donkey, one puss, one rat. Then can turn anything duppy. You check duppy simple. Yeah, people, we have to begin up in the next last part, cause I you know make it thing happen. You see me? But everything based off of time. And time based off of everything. Yeah people. But duppy a real sitting. Real true and living thing, brethren. One time, you know, when me a look at youth, you know, me see my brother, you know, sick, you know, and lie down in a house, you know. And my mother, I wake him up and I rub him down with one in him, beer rum and put one Bible and head, you know, then. And me did it, you know, and them I say, a fever I have, you know. And my old lady, I say, in vision, seeing grandfather last night. And his grandfather tell him, say, if you know, give him name, half a him name, him a come kill it. And me I say, what in the young days, you know, then, and so me know, say, duppy a real sitting for them time, you know, me lie down on my back. And I was very comfortable. When me look, I want hand, me see whole hand on the window like also. Pam, grab on the window. Pam, grab on the window. But you don't know what frighten me and make me head swell big. Me see your hand, take time I come in the house, and I come in the house, and I get long like one broomstick and I get finer. And me couldn't bear it. And me call out, Mama, me was it not clot. My mama got church now, you know. Listen me, you know. And when me hear me say, Mama, me was it not clot. He frightened and say, but wait a while, you go along with in the house. And when he come on, and me I tell him, one go on, he couldn't believe. Then do so, boop. And then can got 3 more somebody. Me don't know where them can them go. Me bother my father. For me a young little pick me in them the time there. When them come back, me hear them in the house and attack and they say, make we give him name William. Make we give him name. For you see, say man go kill him. And me I wonder what them attack about that time. I'm a great old grandfather, you know. Name William, you know. And them want him to give him name William, you know. From his inner belly, you know. I come, you know. And him man, when me talk, tell them I to give him name William. And so me know say duppy a real sin thing. And duppy real for me seat in a me one year I wish hand could I not get long like a broomstick. And I know duppy. Duppy there. Check it. Don't wreck it. Never forget that spirit there.